So this is perfect for marketing if you want to target plumbers across 17,000 cities in the US, or you want to target roofers, or you want to target every single city for Medicare or health insurance or auto insurance. This is the easiest way, the quickest way to basically set up these types of links that basically in the eyes of Google, in the eyes of Bing, they exist. Now, let's say you are a marketer and you're advertising nationwide, or even let's say to 1,000 cities, 2,000 cities, 5,000 cities, etc. Just like myself, I basically run home services in thousands of cities across many, many niches. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that our URL is SEO friendly, or at least it looks nice. So in a previous tutorial, I showed you how to use the question mark, location equals, and whatever location you want, it passes into our landing page, and basically we're able to use it like that. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up our SEO friendly URL. And actually you can use these URLs specifically for SEO because now Google recognizes whatever page you send in as a legitimate page. So at the top here, I've already put in Alabama mobile. As we're using the display location tag, it puts it into our landing page. So mobile Alabama, mobile, and then once again, it gets connected into our map as well. And if I change this, we can simply do California/Hollywood. There we go. And so we have locksmiths hotline in Hollywood, California. Once again, everything gets populated according to that. You can even write in Inglewood. So I believe that's one of the neighborhoods or the subzones or regions. So we'll do Inglewood. There we go. Inglewood, California. And now we're centered around Inglewood, California, and providing locksmith services to there. Whether it's locksmith services, whether it's plumbing, whether it's lawyer services, whether it's Medicare, whether it's ACA, whatever you want, you can basically plug that in and everything else is pretty much around the same. So how do we do that? We go to our plugin. So here we are in our plugin. We go to our URL handler and we enable the module, obviously. And then we type in the page type. Now keep in mind, this interface will evolve over time. We go to our page type, and the page type is just the root page that you want to append all these city names. So in this case, we're using locksmith, but if I wanted to, I could even put in door unlock, and that's assuming we have that page. So we'll type in, we'll do that. We'll do save changes. And then in this case, we have to flush our permalinks, and then it's pretty much ready. So when we go to one of our URLs here, we have locksmiths mobile Alabama, locksmith Texas Houston. In this case, we don't actually have a page for door unlock, so we'll just erase that. And then the rest of them. So Houston, New York, Brooklyn, California, Los Angeles, and I believe there we go. And so whatever city or whatever neighborhood you type in the top here, as long as it's state followed by the city, is basically a page that exists. And you can use this page for advertising on Google or Facebook, or literally using it for SEO purposes as well. So this page, you send it to the search consoles and it's a page that exists. So we'll go here, Houston, Texas, Brooklyn, New York, Los Angeles, California. At the moment, it primarily works for US cities. That's how I set it up. But in the future, I'll make sure that it works pretty much globally or whatever particular country that needs this service. So what this allows us to do is we are creating 30,000 imaginary pages for whatever service we want. So now there are literally 30,000 different pages for locksmiths in the US that I support. And all I had to do was simply type in whatever page that I wanted here, and now they exist. So this is perfect for marketing if you want to target plumbers across 17,000 cities in the US, or you want to target roofers, or you want to target every single city for Medicare or health insurance or auto insurance. This is the easiest way, the quickest way to basically set up these types of links that basically in the eyes of Google, in the eyes of Bing, they exist. So stick around because in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to submit all of these URLs into Google Search Console for SEO purposes. So once again, if you want this plugin, simply click on one of the links below and check it out. There's promotions and all that stuff. Make sure you call the number to get yourself a nice coupon code, and I will see you in the next video. So stay tuned.